Hello there. Welcome to a winter edition of That Green Thing. I've been waiting for a warm day. Gosh, it's December 31st. It's about 50 degrees. I chose the peak of the afternoon to start a little project I've been planning on. I want to put a couple of steps under this oak tree. This is a white oak, very slow growing. I started it from an acorn, if you can believe that. I've got a few of them here. There seems to be an oak tree in the neighborhood and they pop up now and then. I just weed whacked around it until it turned into this baby. Anyway, right here I've got a change in grade. Can't see it too well, but I've got a change in grade here. I've got a couple leftover pavers. I've got these neat they're wild black cherry logs. I like to use stuff instead of burning and throwing away. And as far as not throwing things away, you can see they've been stained. 2 cans of 30-year-old stain that I found under our camp. Mission Brown. I figured instead of dumping it, I'll reuse it. So I've got 3 cherry logs, a couple slabs, a little grade, a nice tree, nice day. I'm gonna cut out the edges on both sides, excavate it, save the soil. Maybe I'll save the grass. There's some moss in there. It's kind of a shady spot here. I'd like to save that star moss and maybe it'll grow over and around those steps. So I'll just set up my camera here and you can watch the progress. I love doing stuff like this. The steps will probably be good till long after I've moved off this property, I believe. All right, here we go.